Hiya, welcome back. Just doing a quick little video on changing the security siren battery because I couldn't find any real clear information on it. So, hope it helps you. So here's the offending critter, and there's two tabs in here they want you to push up, but it's not very clear. So what I'll do is I'll take this off and then I'll show you the tabs and the bracket, so it might be a bit clearer then. So that's the two tabs pushed up, and then this thing slides forward, and then you can unplug that. You just undo that clip there, well, push it down, and then that slides out, and there's your two tabs there and there. I'll take it off because it'll be a lot clearer to show you. So here's the unit, and I've taken the bracket off so you can see how it goes on. So that would be like this. So that would slide on, that's the right way around, so that would slide on like that and clip in. So these bits would clip down. Let's just show that closer. So these are the bits that clip down like that. So you prise these up and then slide it forwards and it comes out. So that's what the bracket looks like. And these are the two tabs. You push them that way. Okay, so then undo these. And the first time I saw this, I thought, oh no, it's a sealed unit. And all you've got to do here is these slots here is just gently prise that open. And when you put it back, you've got to make sure that there's a long and a short tab there. So one's long, one's short, and the long ones go towards the rest of the body. So that's the battery. I just want to see how many volts is on that. So that is 7.46 volts. So should be 9. This is the new battery I'm putting in. It's not been charged yet, so I don't know if it's got any charge on it. 8.94. So stick that in. See if it charges. Right, so long tab towards that. And clip in. And then that, like that. And that, like that. Right, put it back together again. Right, well I hope that helped you. Certainly would have helped me if I could have found a video like that. It's a bit clearer with the bracket off, I think. and there's really limited space for me to try and show it in situ. So I hope you can appreciate that. Thanks to all the people that bother to subscribe, and I'll get you next time. Cheers. Cheerio.